we're gonna create another Instagram story. In this case, we're gonna use this image, as you can see, and we're gonna create a short video out of it. So the first thing to do is to go to InShot, and then we're gonna create a new project. We're gonna go to photo, tap on photo, and then we're gonna select the image that we want to work with, and then we're gonna go to canvas, tap on canvas, sorry, and then tap on 9:16. And in this case, as you can see, I have a little bit of room on the sides. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make it a little bigger, not too much because it loses quality. I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then I'm gonna tap on the check mark and save the image. After that, I'm gonna open another app, this one right here. Let's open it, and I'm gonna just create a new project. I'm gonna go to home and then tap right here in the circle, and as you can see, it's gonna select the newest image that you have in your camera roll. Then we're gonna go to this image right here, and we're gonna tap this here in these 4 arrows, and we're gonna tap on next. And now I'm gonna think about what kind of effect I want to add to this image. As you can see, it's something that looks cute. I mean, giraffes to me are cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this effect right here because it looks very nice. It's one of the effects that I like a lot. But before that, this is what I'm just gonna save this video. I'm gonna actually add another effect, and I'm gonna go to this area, and I'm gonna select this one, and I'm gonna change the color a little bit. So to do that, you have to tap right here and then color, and I think I'm gonna leave it like that because better with the other colors. Tap again on this icon right here on top, and this is how it's gonna be the final result. So I'm just gonna save it, and it's gonna last 20 seconds because we're gonna have to cut it later. So now I have to add the beginning of the story and a transition. So let's see what we can do. Oh, this is working very nice because this effect looks like clouds, and the giraffe is going through clouds. So I think that's gonna work well. And now I'm just gonna save that effect, save video. I'm gonna, in this case, I'm just gonna do 6 seconds, okay? And then I'm gonna add another effect, and in this case it's gonna be this one right here. It doesn't look very well, so I'm gonna go for a different effect. I'm just gonna use this one. Alright, so let's try the other one because I think I was doing something wrong, and we're all learning. Now it doesn't look good, so I'm just gonna go back, and let's see this one. Okay, and let's see this one. I think I'm gonna stick with that one. but I'm gonna change how it looks because you can see through the effect and I don't want that. So we're gonna tap on the icon on top, and then we're gonna go to blending tool, blending style, and we're gonna switch that up. This is like the normal effect, how it looks. I have different ones right here, and I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna go to blending amount. Alright, so it's not gonna work. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to normal, and I'm gonna change the colors because I don't think they go well. Let's see this one, because I have like blue in the image, so I think this color is gonna do better. So I'm just gonna save the transition, save, and we're gonna do 6 seconds again. Okay, and now we're gonna move on into CapCut Pro. We're gonna create a new project, so we're gonna tap on the plus sign, create, portrait, done, and now we're gonna import our videos. So we're gonna, this is the introduction. I do this because I wanna of course catch people's attention into my Instagram stories, and I haven't seen anyone doing this on their Instagram stories. So if you know that, if you've seen like someone doing this, let me know so I can see what they're doing and maybe get inspired by it and see what I can learn. So I'm just gonna leave it like that and cut it. Alright, that's gonna be the transition. The transition doesn't need to be too long, and now I'm gonna add the rest of the video, and it's gonna be this one, choose, and then this is how this is the final result right here. So this is how it's gonna look, and yeah, I like it. So the final step is to add the music, so we're gonna go to the plus sign and music and iPad and artist, and I'm just gonna select this song just to give you an example, and then the song is in the background. So what we actually did is just to create a short video with 3 different pieces, and this is the final result. I don't play it because I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube with the copyrights, but yeah. So what you're gonna do now is to cut on the second 15, double tap, cut, double tap on the music, cut, and then you only have to erase it and erase it on this icon right here. Just tap it, and the final step will be just to tap here and export to album. If you want to see my Instagram stories, how they look, you can go to my Instagram account. I publish daily. And also, if you want me to make more videos like this, I can actually make a lot of them because I create a lot of these Instagram stories. And also, if you want me to check your Instagram account and see what looks good and what looks bad, of course from my point of view, just leave a comment and I can go to your Instagram account, take a look, and make a video about it and publish it in my channel. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.